Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. In it I'm going to explain how to access what we call the back end of your website in order to amend any of the content on your pages, and also I'll show you how to add blog items to update your newsfeed. Okay, so first of all we need to get access to the back end of the site. So we do this by going up to the domain name. Now you'll see there it says Made in France. That was the domain name that the new website was built on, but it should now be portsmouthcab.org.uk, so that would be the one that you use, not that Made in France that you can see up there. You would then put / and then write in administrator, like me. Ignore that bit on the end, that's not necessary, and just that would take you then to the back end of the site. Now for me it's automatically populated because I've logged in recently, so it's ready to go in again, but you would need to put in your username and password details, which you will have been provided with. Then you simply click on login. You'll notice that the site that I had up before has disappeared, and I like to have both sites available to view, so I'm going to click on up here, view site, and that's going to give me two tabs to toggle between. I can hop between from one to the other, so I can see the published site as the public view it, and also the back end if I go here, so that's where I'll be doing my work. And what I've noticed on the main site was that on one of the pages, I think it was the Armed Forces Support, I noticed that there was a spelling mistake. There we go, there it is, HILP. So that's what I'm going to go in and amend in this example. So if we hop back to the back end of the site, this area is called the control panel. You may not see all of this, depends on what you're authorized to look at. Now all of the pages and blog articles have been put into the area under this components bit. If you scroll down to zoo, you'll find all of them there. Now we're looking for the Armed Forces page. Immediately this list of, we have two tabs up here, blog articles and pages. Most of the pages that you have are in the blog articles section, but there are some in the pages section. Could be a bit confusing, but essentially they're the same thing. So here I can see the page that we're talking about, Armed Forces, that's the one with the spelling error, so I'm going to click on that, and you'll see there's different boxes and tick boxes. The bit really to look at is where the text is. You'll see it here in a text box, and it's simply a case of amending it much as you would in any Word document. We'll just scroll down and find that spelling error. It's in here somewhere. Oh, gone past it. Here we go, there it is. And I'll just change that. It's done. All I need to do then is scroll to the top, and I can just click on save. And that should save the item. Just for me to check that that's actually happened, I'm going to hop back to the site. I've got my page open. It will look the same at the moment, but when I refresh the page it should change. Where was it? HILP. So I go up here to refresh the page. There's an arrow. I'll just put it in again, and we should see that help. So that update has been made. So that in principle is how you update any text on any page on your site. Now you can also add photographs. We'll hop back and look at the photograph or the image we've got in there, which is the one from the Royal British Legion. Now you can highlight that, and you would just click delete to delete that, or backspace. If you wanted to amend the size of that photograph, you'd click on this one, insert edit image, and that gives you some details as to how to amend it. You can put dimensions in here, where you want it aligned, left, right, or at top or bottom, as it shows there. I think it works well at aligned right, and it's best to be tried to be consistent throughout your website on that. I'm not actually going to make any changes, so I'll just cancel that rather than update it and come out. Whenever you make any changes on the page, you need to save it. If you press save, you'll stay on the same page once it's saved, or save and close, and it will take you back to the list of pages. Now, I'm now going to show you how to add a new news item or blog article, and we'll do it here in the blog articles page, or area. So what I wanted to do is add some news about the Money Active team winning that award back in February.